In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code to replace the Facebook Messenger code. Now, we were all set into complete and utter panic mode this week when Facebook announced, it's April 2019, when Facebook announced that they were no longer going to support the Facebook Messenger code and we'd all need to start using QR codes instead. Now, I love my Facebook Messenger code. I use it all the time. I have it on my phone. I have it on my webinars. I have it on posters and flyers, and it's just a really fantastic tool. So I've never used QR codes. Didn't even know how to create them. And so this sent me into complete utter panic, and I have just wasted energy on that because it is so easy to create a QR code. And now I totally get and understand why Facebook have decided to do this, because using a QR code is so simple. It's so easy. Anybody can do it. It's natively within if you've got an iPhone, iOS, it's within your phone already. You don't even need to do anything. It's just there. If you've got Android, the latest Androids, it should be fine on that as well. And failing all of that, I show you how you can do it. Get your QR code just from the Facebook app. So there is no excuse. Everybody can scan with a QR code. So let me just show you how easy it is to create and how easy it is to fix from any of the existing messenger codes that you're using. So this is one I've got here, which is my messenger code for my Think Outside the Box flow. And what I want to do is create a link with this flow to use in my QR code. So if I look at opt-in actions here, this is the setup. This is the flow that I'm using, Think Outside the Bot flow, that goes that's triggered when somebody scans my Facebook Messenger code. So what I need to do is create, let's move myself down here. I want to create a new growth tool, and this time it's going to be the Messenger ref URL, and this is free with ManyChat. You don't have to pay for the pro account for this. So I'm just going to call it Think Outside the Bot flow, and I'm going to replace it with if I go on here, there we go, there's my flow. Right, so that's the right flow going into this particular link. So then I want to copy that flow. I've got to save it first. Hang on a sec. Right, so I've got this link here. It's called the Messenger ref URL, and that's the link that I'm going to use for my QR code. So the next thing you want to do is go to this site here, which is Brain Trust Interactive Chatbot QR thingy. Yeah, okay. You just take the link that we've just created and pop that in here. Then you can change the size of it if you want to. You've got all these different sizes. You can see the code populating down here. Then I'm just going to change the foreground. Oh, let's go. The foreground, that's it. Color. I want mine looking a little bit more sort of a grayer color, just to fit in with my logo. So if we try and get a bit more of a grey. Let's try that. Okay, not keen. Let's take that back a bit. I want something a bit blue. There we go. That looks a lot better. Let's do it for that one. Okay, so that's going to blend. And then I'm going to download that. There you go. And I'm going to save it as Think Outside the Bot flow, and that's going to stay in my scan codes. Okay, right, so I've got that one up. Now I want to make it look a little bit prettier, so I'm going to go to Canva and I'm going to create a design. Custom dimensions 500 by 500, and create a design, and I'm going to upload that image we've just created. And where did I put it? I put it in my scan codes, and there it is. Okay, and I'm going to bring that across, and then this is my logo, and I'm going to pop my logo into the middle. Let's get it in the right place. That looks a little bit better. Is that right? Yeah, okay. So that is now my scan code. I'm going to download that. And it's going to be Think Outside the Box Flow, and it's going to replace the one I've already got. There you go. Okay, so the next thing to do is see this in action and how easy it is to do. So this is the scan code that I've created, and now you're going to see it in action on my phone. So all I need to do is go on my camera, and I'm going to take the camera up to the screen, and as you can see, it clicks on Open in Messenger. And there you go. The flow is going to go straight into my phone. So there you go. How simple was that? You can create a lovely customized QR code and send somebody straight into Messenger with the flow that you've already created. But you can use these QR codes for absolutely anything. Anything, if you've got a link to anywhere, so to your Facebook group, to your landing page, whatever you want to take somebody, it's so easy to create a QR code for it. But I'm going to love this. I'm going to add this now to everywhere where I had a messenger code. Any questions? Give us a shout, but hopefully that makes perfect sense for you. Bye for now.